Achieving sustainable development goals requires collaboration, often between for-profit firms and social purpose organizations. Yet cross-sector partnerships are often difficult to form and maintain. So how do such partnerships succeed? By studying a management consulting firm trying to establish a cross-sector partnership, scholars found that successful partnerships were generated by building platforms for social impact, connecting other for-profit firms with social purpose organizations. For example, as part of a project setting up a disease surveillance program, partners included mobile phone operators, the Ministry of Health, technology vendors, and local healthcare providers in several African countries. The focal firm drove the platform, which required engaging continuously with both the external partners and internal stakeholders. Internal support was then garnered from interested employees who were permitted to participate in the platform activities in lieu of their commercial work, but who had to accept salary reductions for the duration of the program. This reduced costs, but also enabled the firm to select employees who truly wanted to participate in the partnership. Scholars also found that even if a majority of a firm's employees don't seek to be involved in social issues as part of their careers, the involvement of even a minority may be sufficient to garner enough support amongst senior management to propel a successful partnership. Ever wonder how firms and nonprofits partner to address social issues? If so, then you may want to read this paper.